Hello friends, I'm Ina Singh from Khwab Zindagi Ki. On 20th of March, every year we celebrate World Sparrow Day. When we think about sparrows, what comes in our mind? The beautiful little bird spreading its wings across our gardens, in the backyard or in the balcony with lovely chirping sounds in the morning when we get up. But nowadays, they are becoming extinct. We are not able to hear them because of lots of pollution around us, industrialization, urbanization, and also deforestation. So we need to save them. What we can do for them is simply we can put a bowl of water in our gardens or in the balconies for them so that they get water to feed on, and also we can put the bird feeders for them. Thank you so much. Let's spread this across to the world.
Hello everyone. Today I, Preeti Sachdeva, has come forward from Khwab Zindagi Ke to give you a small speech on the importance of sparrows. Look at the sparrows. They do not know what they will do in the next moment. Let us literally live from moment to moment. The sparrows are the important part of the food chain or the food web of our ecosystem. They play a crucial role as a predator, feeding on all the small creepy crawlies. At the same time, they also act as a prey for the big birds like merlin, shikara, big sparrows, etc. Now they are no longer a part of urban food web. It spells imbalance, that there is some imbalance in our ecosystem. So people, let us come forward to save our lovely sweet birds and take a small pledge that I love sparrows and I will do my best to protect it. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Hello friends, my name is Shweta. Hope you all are doing great. I'm also doing great. I'm making this video for the World International Sparrow Day, which we used to celebrate on 28th March of every year. So the basic purpose of making this video basically I want to spread the awareness to control their declining population in India, in the world level as well. See, sparrow is a very important creature of our ecosystem. They are playing a very tremendous role in insect control. You can pull the data like in the last 10 years, around 60% of their populations have been declined. However, there are some good people in India who take the initiative to control their declining populations. Like you heard the name of Muhammad Dilawar from Nasik. He called the Sparrow Man of the India. He took the very great initiative for the sparrows. So like as a human being, as a citizens, we can also took a small initiative can save them. For example, you can put the feeder boxes in your balcony or in a roof area. You can like put some adaptive nest in your balcony in a hanging mode. Or one more important thing, please go green, please take some initiative, please plant the tree. The reason behind this, we are starting cutting in urbanization. Like there are so many jungles, there are so many trees cut it to build our homes. Basically we are cutting their homes to building our homes, so it's our responsibility to provide some space for them as well. So please guys, start taking some.
Hello everyone, I'm Farhana, a certified parenting coach and a teacher by profession. Today I'm going to say about sparrows. Every year, 20th of March, World Sparrow Day is celebrated. Why do we need to celebrate World Sparrows Day? It's as simple as that, to save the sparrows from becoming extinct. Because we remember our childhood days that as we get up, we used to listen to the chirpy melodious sounds of sparrows. As Birds are the indicators of the environment. If they are in trouble, soon we will be in trouble. So, how can you save the sparrows from becoming extinct? You can provide them food, water, and shelter. How do you provide food? Just keep a bowl of grains, keep a bowl of water, plant trees so that they can make their home, or you can use unused pots to place it on the walls so that they make their home to reproduce and take rest. In this way, you can save the sparrows.
हाय, दिस इज़ प्रिया फ्रॉम ख्वाब जिंदगी के। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि आज वर्ल्ड स्पैरो डे है। वर्ल्ड स्पैरो डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है टू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस अबाउट हाउस स्पैरोज और हाउस बर्ड्स, जो कि अभी बहुत ही कम होते जा रहे हैं एनवायरनमेंट की वजह से और अर्बनाइजेशन हम करने लगे हैं उस वजह से। तो हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं कि ये हाउस स्पैरोज, हाउस बर्ड्स दोबारा से हमारे घरों के अंदर आए, दोबारा से हमारे पंखे के ऊपर, झूमर के ऊपर बैठे, चहचहाएं, फिर से हमें वही प्यारी सी मीठी सी आवाज सुबह सुनने को मिले। तो उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? बहुत सिंपल है। एक बर्ड नेस्ट बना के लगा सकते हैं हम, एक प्यारा सा घर दे सकते हैं उनको, खाने का एक बोल रख सकते हैं, पानी का एक बोल रख सकते हैं उनके लिए। और साथ ही इस वीडियो में आगे मैं एक DIY शेयर करने जा रही हूँ, जो कि एक बर्ड फीडर बना रहे हैं हम प्लास्टिक की वेस्ट बॉटल से। आप भी ट्राई कीजिएगा, बनाइएगा और अपनी बालकनी, छत के ऊपर उसको लगाइएगा। अगर आप बनाते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं, तो पिक्चर्स हमारे साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा ख्वाब जिंदगी के @gmail.com पर। हमें बहुत खुशी